So the 6 key features of the Pari yards. So number 1 is the slam latches. These are nylon bush to prevent steel on steel noise. And you always have the peace of mind that they're going to close behind you. And every gate within the yard is like this. Feature number 2 is our force pen. This allows you to push the last of the cattle through the race. This ensures that you're not in with the cattle, meaning that you're safe behind this bull, and if they do kick back, it locks back. So feature number 3 on the Pari yard is the curved race. This is a key feature as the animal is circling the handler and following round at a curve, ensuring cattle flow. So the 4th key feature of the Pari yard is the calf reducers paddles, which take the width of the race from 750mm down to 400. So that if you're working with small animals and calves, you can reduce this down and it prevents them turning round to keep the flow going. So the 5th key feature is our catwalks. They're 1 metre wide. It allows 2 operators to pass easily. It also allows you to be over the cattle and be able to bend in easily over the top of them. This is also available in wood or an FRP surface, and then you can also get the option of steps to be able to step down. So the 6th feature is our hot dipped galvanised high tensile steel. It's hot dipped inside and out and comes with a 10-year warranty on the galvanising. So a bonus feature is our stock bend warranty. This is a 5-year cover. If any panel is damaged by an animal, we'll replace free of charge. Thanks for watching. Get in touch if you'd like to know more about the Pari yard.